We'll guide you through how to get fresh animations in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Fresh animations go and make animations more realistic and add much more detail. So we'll guide you through how you can go and get them. To go and get started, come out of Minecraft and quit the game. Next, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now we need to go and search for Fresh Animations Minecraft. I've recently searched for it, so it's easy for me. And we can come to the Curse Forge site. You can go and get it elsewhere. It's just where I get it from though. Now what we can do is go and press files. And now what we can do is go and download it. I like to go and get the most up-to-date ones. We can come to the right, press the three dots and press download file. This one here was for 1.21.4. So it's now gone and downloaded, as you can see. Now, for this to go and work, we either need to go and use something called Optifine or Fabric. I've got a guide on how you can do it with Fabric. It's actually easier to do it with Optifine, but if you want to play with mods, you need to use Fabric. So what we can do is now search for Optifine. Optifine is a Minecraft optimization mod. It's really used to have anyway, and it should go and make Minecraft run faster and look better, as you can see. So we can come to optifine.net, go to the top and go and press downloads. And we can see here it is, Minecraft 1.21.4. I'll go and press the download button. You're going to be taken to an ad wall. Just be aware if you see a download button, it's for the ad. What you need to do is go and press the skip button, which appears after a certain amount of time. And now we're taken to the download page. I can press download and it's now gone and downloaded, as you can see. So we actually got what we need now. Before we get any further, a big shout out to Apex Hosting sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the pinned comment or the description. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. Apex has got some great features as well. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it, ultra latency and many other great features as well. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring the video. What we need to do is come to our downloads. I'll go and open up our file explorer and come here. Then what we need to do is go and install Optifine. Go and double click on it and you should get this pop up. If you don't, maybe nothing happens or something else does, it's likely because you don't have Java installed. So what we need to do is come back to our web browser. You can go and head straight to Java, or you can go and search for it. So you can come to java.com, press download Java for desktops and download it. After you've downloaded it, what you can then do is go and run it and install it as any other program. And once you've installed it, come back to Optifine and right click on it, hover over open with and press choose another app. Find Java and press always, and it should then open. If it still doesn't, then what you need to do is do something called a jar fix that links jar and jar files together. We have got a guide on how that can be done. Once you've got this open though, press install. You may think nothing's happening, but shortly you're going to get this pop up and we've installed it. And then what we can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher, go to the left of the play button and make sure you go and select the Optifine version. Press play and it's now going to go and start. Go and be patient. Press options, press resource packs, and you can then press open pack folder. Now I actually already have fresh animations added here, but what you can do is open up your downloads and you can drag and drop it in like so, and that should be it. I'll just go and replace it. And then what you can do is find it in the available list, press the arrow and we've added it. Here we are. Now when you start looking at mobs, you're going to go and see their animations. You can see how they're walking,